brand new 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR2 with an undercover armor flex installed here. You can see it's a hard folding cover. You can strap it in this position here, drive with it open. You can flip it up one more time to the back, get your full bed access. This one, you get that full bed access here. It has a rod on the side that you pull out, and this is what you use to drive with it open. So if you want to have it down the road, you can have it down the road right here, highway speed safe, no problem. All this rail system's clamped on, no drilling required, everything's custom fit. It has a turn knob in the back, so if you want to take it off one day, you can twist off the knob and it comes off. It has a drain tube to keep the water out. Nice rail system, no drilling, 3 clamps each side, custom fit. It has weather sealing on the rail. You can prop it up on both sides with the strut here. Just pull it out. And then now you're going highway speed safe. This cover does not limit you at all because you can drive with it open. In a matter of seconds, you just load it up your bed. You can take it off real quick if you need to. These are the new prop rods right here. You push them down and then it unlocks it here. So it's gonna be nice and secure. The best thing about this cover is the full bed access. People like being able to go down the road with it open like that, and then you can drive with it right there. They give you a 5-year warranty. Each cover has a serial number on it. That covers the rail system, it covers the side molding, the construction of all the locking systems here. Each time you fold it, it locks on the rail system, and it has an integrated tailgate seal, so you can shut the cover, close the tailgate. You can see how nice and low profile it is. And that's the armor flex right here. Line X coated finish on top, heavy duty aluminum construction. This is the best hard folding cover for your truck. Visit truckaccessplus.com to get one shipped to you today.